Can you reverse with the truck?
I'll lift it up.
Okay, now we're ready for round 2. Nope. Oops.
This is gonna be.
Woohoo! Okay. All right. Let's get in there.
Nice.
I destroyed your camera.
It's all right.
That was a good hit. Yep. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got here.
Hey, nice.
How do we look, mate?
Amazing.
Looking good, eh?
Very.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Can you show the gap around?
Nice. Very. Yeah, I'm looking very symmetrical still. Beautiful.
So this concludes drop test number 19 for Outback Motortek. We've been doing this since 2014, and I want to show you some of the aftermath, some of the results. So the first drop test was pretty gnarly. We actually hit a tree. We tied the rope up a little bit too high and tipped the bike over, and the upper crash bars got the most impact. Still, there's gap in between the this metal, plastic, whatever panel and here. Not much, about 1/4 inch, about 6 millimeters. There's still a gap. The seat clamp did not shift, not one bit. However, this bracket did bend. That's the impact of a big heavy motorcycle. And then on the lower crash bar side of things, you can see from the back that the tubing shifted up from the impact. This is after 2 drops, and then off camber as well. That's why this side shifted the most, because the road is off camber and it had a much bigger impact on it. There's nothing to hide here. There's no contact anywhere with the engine or the cylinder or the valve cover. However, As you can see here, the weld did crack.
Hello everyone, my name is Caden and I'm the mechanical engineer here at Outback Motortek. Today I want to discuss the revisions and updates we've made following our GS 1300 crash test video. As many of you might already know, we experienced a weld bead separation in this specific location due to impact, which compromised the structural integrity of the entire assembly. This issue was traced back to a welding error during the manufacturing process. At Outback Motortek, we prioritize quality and safety, so we took immediate action to address this. To mitigate this problem, we've designed a gusset to be placed on the opposite side of the tube located here. This modification eliminates the stress concentration and significantly enhances the overall rigidity of our GS 1300 crash bars. With this improvement, you can trust that your crash bars will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep riding until the wheels fall off.
And then the front side, if you come around here, it looks like it is touching the valve cover, but there's actually about a 2-3 millimeter gap still. Okay, the left side did not suffer as much. So the upper crash bar did not even touch the ground at all, none whatsoever. It's intact. And the left side did not bend nearly as much as the right side. From the impact, yeah, the left side definitely handled it better, but we also dropped the bike on the crown of the road, so it's a higher ground versus the shoulder, and probably the impact didn't affect it the same way. So all in all, it's looking pretty good. The bike, the parts of the motorcycle there are the most important, which is the engine. That's intact. The valve cover is intact, and the bike is still gonna turn on and be happy. So thank you very much for watching. We're gonna continue doing this same crazy thing, and then stay tuned. Next bike's coming up. It's gonna be a Japanese motorcycle.